Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Center College. This is Jyoti Singh, class 10. As we are starting with the new topic transpiration, we have seen the structure which is responsible for the process of transpiration is called stomata. Now in this part, we will do an experiment to prove the process of transpiration. So let's do the experiment process to prove the process of transpiration. So let's learn about this.
Let us do an experiment to prove the process of transpiration in plants. Take two planting pots and fill them both with soil. Here, two pictures are there. One, plant in a pot, and second, a stick in a pot. What we have to do is plant a small plant in one of the pots and just a small stick in the other. Cover the soil in both pots by using plastic sheets so that moisture is not escaped by evaporation. Like this. Then cover both the pots using a plastic cover tightly so that no moisture could escape through it. And here in this picture you can see the sun is there. So keep both the pots under sunlight for half an hour and observe the two pots. Inside the plastic covering of the pot, first we can find small droplets of water. As you can see in this picture, you will definitely find this type of when you will do experimentally. These droplets are the condensed water vapor released during transpiration through leaves in sunlight. So in the second pot, there are no water droplets inside the plastic covering. Why this was like this? This is because pot 2 did not have a living plant but a dead stick. I mean to say that this stick has no leaves, and you already know about that stomata are present on the leaves, and there is no leaf and only a stick is there which is green in color. Maybe it's living or maybe it's dead in condition. So this confirms that plant with leaves carry out transpiration under the sunlight. So let us revise this process.